Welcome to the magical world of trees. If you subscribe to the channel, let's get started. With this great stump removal tactic, you can remove the stump of the trees you cut down without damaging your garden. You just need to have an old tire handy. I think this excavator is very powerful. Judging by the number of tree trunks it takes at one time, it takes all the trees in the truck at one time. No matter how small this excavator is, it has the power to cut logs bigger than itself. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel to support us.